And welcome back. Now we are finally going to be able to add the friends stuff. And yeah, over here was there was a footer of connect, and I removed it. If you want to, you could remove. If you don't want it, you could keep it like that. It was showing like copyright connect, all rights stuff like that. Anyways, I removed that, and now we are going to, let me just check if I'm recording. Yes, I am. Yeah. So we are going to create our database for friends, shall we? Localhost slash. Okay, that might take some time. For some reason my computer went slow right now. Let me just check example. It's working. Yeah, there we go. Sources, create table. So it's gonna be like this: friends, ID, ID, to, or from, then to, and then approved. Okay, approved. Yeah. So then this is going to be watchar 225. Approved is going to be a tiny int. So let's see, auto increment there, save. I guess we're good to go. So in friends, what we need to do is basically nothing. We need to create a page now, which we'll call as friends.php. So I'm just gonna save this as friends.php. Yeah, now I'm gonna pause the video and load in the friends.php file. And welcome back, guys. So let me see. Yeah, I've entered the code in this whole thing. So it's not only like it's not, and it's nothing related to friends, the name, the friends thing. It is actually it is just like a place where you can browse the various users present. Now if I enter the or here, this is these are two search filters, and over here we have this view person's profile, but for now we have not created the profile.php page. So yeah, we'll be doing that later, but for now I'm gonna start explaining. Now this is include variable.php, which you know, and you know what that is. Then there's $submit, which is submit, and the submit button in this form right here. And then we have errors, which is actually an array, and you guys know what an array is, right? If you don't, I'm gonna learn it. Then if session username, then do all this. This is like for here, if suppose there are errors, then for each error it'll just all the errors will come out over here. And then we have the form, and we have this div id shout. Now we just don't need that, although when we'll be adding styles to it, we will need div id shout right there. And of course, as I said, I'll be creating a series called giving the final touches to our social network, in which I'll be having styles and all that. But for now, just leave that. In the future it might come in handy. Then we have if is set, submit, blah blah blah. Then we have this thing called a filter. So what it does is it is actually the profile. And what is the profile over here? You see the search for this text box is like the profile. So we're searching for, it's like the input. Hopefully that makes sense, even though it doesn't. And then we have this like if str, if you the string length is less than 2 or equal to 2, then it's gonna give an error that the search query must be at least 3 characters. So if I do like if I do like a and search, you see all of them come up. Although this feature does not work very well, but we are going to make it work later. Right now it won't work, believe me. Then we have query select star, like it's gonna select everything from users, the table, where like you see over here, we have where full name corresponds with the full name in our, oh, I closed that, the full name in our users table. These are the fields, like you see username and full name, and those are exactly like that. Caps are like they're case sensitive. And then you see, so username, so it'll be like where username equal is like dollar filter. And what's dollar filter now? It's of course the profile. And once you're done with that, if it results in no queries, suppose I enter something random like that and go for search, see that no results, watch out for any spelling mistakes. So that comes up, and then we have this if empty errors, blah, and all that. So if there are no errors, then it's gonna go on with showing the profile. So over here dollar name equals fetch, and what's fetch over here? It's MySQL fetch associative dollar query. So it's gonna fetch the full name, the username, and the ID. And the view profile.php we're gonna be creating later, which is going to be based on ID. So based on the ID that the user puts in, we're gonna show the user's profile, and we're gonna even have a friends thing, like like a like add him as friend and stuff like that. So we'll send him like a friend request and all that. So for today, that's it. The link to this file will be in the description below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.